Can face oils really make you look younger? Hello and welcome to today's video blog. Today, we are going to discuss a question that many people ask: can face oils really make you look younger? Face oils are made up of various plant extracts and are used to hydrate and nourish the skin. They work by penetrating the skin's outer layer and getting absorbed into the deeper layers, where they can help to repair and protect the skin from damage. Once absorbed, the oils can help to soften and plump the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Some oils also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the skin from environmental stressors that can lead to premature aging. So, can face oils really make you look younger? The answer is yes and no. While face oils can provide hydration and nourishment to the skin, they cannot completely reverse the aging process. However, they can help improve the overall appearance of the skin and make it look more youthful. It's important to note that not all face oils are created equal. Some oils are better suited for certain skin types than others, and some may cause irritation or breakouts in some individuals. It's always best to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine which face oils are best for your skin type. Thanks for tuning into today's video blog on the topic of whether face oils can really make you look younger.